What's going on, everybody? You're watching Next Gen Speed. Today we're going over our 2015 and up Dodge Charger RGB Flowseries headlights, doing the installation overview, showing you guys how to do it to make sure you guys do it properly and get these boys on. So first thing you want to do, pop out these little fender pieces right here to get the bumper off. Get all the screws on the bottom, on the sides. Then once the bumper is off, we'll go into how to do the headlights. Once you got the bumper fully off, got access to the headlights. Got 3 bolts, 8 millimeters right here, right there, and below right here. Just take off the headlights and take off the plug. You'll pretty much be set to install the new ones, then do all the wiring. So once you get the bumper off, all fully, get all the plugs out. Got 4 bolts to the headlight, which are 8 millimeters, right here, down here, and then down over here. And once you got the plug out of the back, headlight pops right out. Here we got the fresh set of headlights. And some models may require a wire being swapped on the inside. You pretty much take this little plug, twist it counterclockwise, pull it out. You have access to these wires here. So you got the left side wire that's not including this plug. Got this yellow and black. Just swap them over, pretty much cut and splice them back and forth if you don't have the low beam turning on to make sure it works with your vehicle. Once you're ready to put on the vehicle, some models may require this little prong to be snipped off depending on the HID or halogen model. Just shave that out with a Dremel or snipper tool and this plug will slide in. This works for either model. You just have to plug or take this little prong off. So we snipped it off, now it fits nice and snug. Once you got it fully installed, make sure that low beams work. As you see right here, it's gonna be good to go to do the wiring. Next thing you want to do is unplug the battery, then unscrew this fuse box 12 volt to put direct access for the fuse wires. So I got the power supply with the converter. I'm going to connect the O-ring to the main fuse 12 volts. You see right there. Just tighten that up. You want to attach the O-ring, which includes the black wire for the ground, onto one of these O-rings down here, onto the body. This power supply right here, just want to place it on top of this little bracket, then take a self-tapping screw, and just screw it right into that little hole. Keep this in place for not moving around. Just plug the controllers into the power supply box, and you've got 2 controllers controlling the halos and DRLs, and there'll be an extra option if you want the demonize as well. And the kits themselves will be marked. So each wire will be marked halos, DRLs, and demonize if you do have that option to make it a little bit easier for you guys. And the extensions provided, which are these wires right here, you want to connect the driver's side to the passenger side, X power to the controllers. Just run that wire over to connect into the controller. Both extensions plugged in for the halos and DRLs. Run into the passenger side over here to connect into the control box over there. And to make things a bit more neat, you could tuck it under here, under the bumper rail, all the way over. And then just attach the splitters and then connect each wire into the controller. So DRLs, halos will be 3-pin. If you have demonize, it will be a 5-pin. Then once everything's connected, put the battery back together and make sure each one is lighting up just like this. Then take all the wires, make sure they're all nice and neat, and you'll be good to go to put on the bumper. Here she is, all finished up. Got both lights installed with the Flowseries RGB LED headlights that are pre-built by us at nextgenspeed.com. With many effects, animations, and colors, controlled by a Bluetooth app. Check us out at nextgenspeed.com or NextGenSpeed in Canton, Michigan.